Bafowethu sanibonani. Yazi ngicela uku-emphasize in this important point. My brother, out there, la ukhona, whenever you get a chance, phakamisa umjida mfowethu. Indoda mayibambise indoda. Indoda uplift indoda. Uplift another man. Whatever chance you get, uplift another man, because we are the only ones who understand the pain of the people that we are, men. When I say uplift a man, if he's not working and he has no employment, no salary, nothing, please uplift another guy mfethu. There is nothing as painful as being a loving father who loves his kids or children, and you want to take care of them and you can't. Yabona bafowethu, that's the most painful thing. First of all, not working on its own and having money or salary on its own as a father or as a man is pain on itself. There's a way a man feels when he is not having anything in his pocket. There's a feeling that comes with that when you are a man, and you as a man understand this very well and better, how it feels when you as a man does not have anything. It hurts so, it cuts so deep, it damages you in every way possible, from bottom to top and top to bottom, inside and outside. It just hits you, it breaks you. Imagine then, on top of that, you are a father, you love your children, but you can't support them. You can't. We know it's no hidden fact. Many fathers who are not working don't have access to their kids, all because they don't have money. You know, umntwana, even if you have a communication now, but the fact that uzoke acela athi, Daddy, can you please do this for me, this and that, esikoleni this, or I need a jersey, or